how to create a health and wellness store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using Shopify.com. So let's get started by entering Shopify in our search like this, and then click on the first link or the first result you'll have. Then you'll proceed to creating your account. So here you enter your email, then you click on start free trial. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. Here I'm going to see where I'm going to log in. I'm just going to enter my email. Then click on start free trial. And here you'll proceed to creating your online store. Let's just wait for these options to be loaded. Loading option 1, loading option 2. You can just skip all of that, or you can just proceed with it. But as you can see, if you're just starting or if you are already selling online in person, let's go with I'm just starting. Then click on next. And here, where would you like to sell? An online store, an existing website, in person, social media. Let's go with an online store. Then click on next. Then what do you plan to sell first? Products I buy or make myself, digital products, services, dropshipping products. Let's go with dropshipping products. Then click on next. And here you choose your location. Click on next. Then your Shopify store will be created. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here, let's wait for it to load. As you can see, welcome to the best converting checkout on the internet. And as you can see, building your store. So give it a few seconds to build your store. Just wait for it, guys. It's still building. And welcome to the best converting checkout on the internet, sell in person and online. This is an example of checkouts. Here you can see your insights and data reports. You can create automated emails for every occasion. Welcome new subscribers. And as you can see, the store is still building. So I'm gonna cut the video in here. I'm going to come back when the store is finished building. And this is it, guys, after our store was built. This is our dashboard. This is where you can improve everything about your store. So let's start by improving our online store. Click on this button in here, online store. It's where you can check everything about your theme, where you can customize it. I'm going to show you everything. So just wait for it to load. Just give it a few seconds to load. It will be ready right now. So let's just wait for it. It's still loading, as you can see in here. If it takes a lot of time to load, you can just refresh the page and it will be loaded fast. It's still loading. As you can see, our trial ends on December 28th. December 28. If you want to select a plan, you will select a plan to extend your Shopify trial for just $1 a month for your first 3 months. So it will cost you $3 for 3 months, guys. It's very cheap for the first 3 months. It just helps you because normally it takes around 3 months to start making some decent money to purchase the other plans that are available in the platform. So here it takes some time to load. Just be patient with the platform, guys. And here you can see your store, how many stores you've got. 1, 2. And this is where you can control your themes after it's loaded. And here by clicking on view your store, you will be able to see how your store is looking, the theme that you have in your store, and how it's showing to the clients. So let's go back to start improving this theme of ours. So here the current theme we're using is down. As you can see, this is the theme we're using now, but you can just click on customizing here in order to customize the theme, or if you want you can change the theme to one of these other themes. So I'm going to change the theme to another theme that will work finely with my niche, which is health and wellness. So here let's see the themes that we have. As you can see, we have 173 themes, and 12 of those 173 themes are free and the others are paid. So let's choose the free ones. We want just to choose a free theme for now, for starters. So we're in the health and wellness niche. So let's see what are the themes that we have in here. We have publisher, crave, color black, taste, craft, studio, spotlight, origin, down, refresh. Let's check this one. Its name is Sense. I think it's about skincare. So let's view demo store to check the theme. So this is how the theme is looking. Glowing skin naturally. And by scrolling down, you will be able to see the products. So I think I'm going to use this theme. So here, click on try theme to use the theme. Click on try, and here add in themes to your online store themes. Close the first window that you have opened. You'll proceed to this one now. And here it's loading. So let's wait for it to complete loading. Let's give it a few seconds. It's still loading, guys, as you can see in here. And again, if it takes a lot of time to load, we'll just reload the page or the window. So let's reload. I think so, guys. The platform takes a lot of time to load, so just be patient with it. And here it is, guys. You successfully added Sense, and by scrolling down